Hello everybody, here is Jonathan, and today I just wanted to share the yoga app. That's something I'm working on for quite a few days already. And this is like a stickman yoga app that you can configure and create sequence. So here you can see that you already have a few sequences. If you play here, it will respect the breathing time and it will be going over the positions. And you can also configure the breathing time here if you want to see the breathing here. Like for example, let's say you want to have a extended period on the plank pose. You can also click here to expand and have multiple breaths in the same position. Apart from that, this is also interesting that you can download like a GIF for your sequence, so you can share it with your students or anything. Let me just try to drag it in the browser and see how it goes. So yes, this is very easy, but let's say short and good to remember, and can be a kind of reminder for the sequence you are going to have in the class or something like that. So I am a yoga student. I am learning it for quite a while now, and I built it just for fun, just for learning how I can make it. It's purely offline. You don't need to do anything here. You don't need to log in, and you can save your sequence. So whatever you do here, if you just refresh the page, it will be here. So if I create here a new sequence, let's choose a new color here, and then I can just put a new name here. So let's put sun B, for example, and then I can start putting the poses here. When I start putting poses and I am editing here, it will also show this let's say next pose as a reference. So for example, let's say I started with this let's say mountain pose, and then I can do upward salute, then I can do standing fold, then I can go to half forward, then I can go to upward plank pose, then upward facing dog, then I can go to downward in facing dog, and then I can go, for example, let's say warrior left, and then upward salute. And this is like a beginner sequence, for example, right? So this can be sun beginner. So now I have this settings of pause. I can also use it in my classes. So for example, if you want to use it for like just to share like with the person, if you are giving like an online class, you can also use this full screen. And this also, if you click right side, it will just go to the next pose, and if you click in the left side, it comes back to the previous pose. And you can also switch to the other sequences that you have, and you just have this next and back. So the idea is you may use it like in a projector or something, that you can just assign this is the stick man, instead of like having some polluted screen with a lot of things. So it's just a reference to allow you to also walk in the classroom without needing to make the deposit yourself. So that's the idea. I hope you like it, and that's how you can use it. If you see any pose that needs fixes, you can also fix it here. Like for example, let's say you want to not have a spine curve here, for example. Oops, because I need to put it in like 100 or something. And then like you can set these different variables here. So for example, if you want to move a leg or something, it does not have any limits. You can just try things here, and you can also save it as a new pose. So you can create a new pose for your own data set. So X alternative Utkatasana, and then you can reuse this pose. So now it's also available in the poses here, and it's a new pose, right? So if you want to search for poses, you can say here alternative, for example. It will show chair pose with Katasana, and you can see that it's showing the pose. So if you want to search for poses, you can search here, and this is the beginning of what I created. I also created this gallery, so you can navigate on all the poses, and if you click, you get you can get back to the app here. For some reason, it broke now, and this game mode is for letting you learn something. So, for example, this shoulder stand, and then like you get to get the position, and you get a new pose. For some reason, it got the same pose twice, half moon pose, for example, and then you can check if you are learning it or not. Looks like some poses I know. If you don't get the right thing, for example, let's go here, it will show you what's the right, and you can also do the review lesson that will let you to the learn yoga that can give you some more instructions here, and you can get back to the app here. So another small detail is that you can also save any page that you want here. So if you click here on save, it will also put it on my space here, so you can easily find it, like sun salutation, and you get back where you were before. And I am trying to introduce this as a like full offline, no need to log in, nothing. So if you see anything cool that I can build, feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.